Guys, it's Trevor with E-commerce Paradise, and in today's video I'm going to review the Booster theme, which is a premium Shopify theme for stores that want to increase conversions. So without further ado, let's get into the review. Alright guys, so here we are at the Booster theme website, and if you click the link below in the description, you can land here. It's going to show you everything you kind of need to know right off the bat about the theme. I think there's a specific thing that's really interesting here is that they actually ran some website speed tests. They found that the Booster theme really loaded a lot faster than even particular product pages on Amazon, which loading fast is kind of the key to increasing your conversion rate. So just right off the bat, that's pretty awesome that they actually ran those tests. You can run those tests yourself using their demo stores, which we'll get to in a moment. So some features of this theme include a social proof sales notification built into it, which is really cool. Normally you have to pay a little bit of money every month for an app to do that for you. You have a product upsell pop-up, which is neat. As soon as you click the buy now or add to cart button, it'll actually pop up and say, hey, you might also like to add this to your order. This works particularly well if you have a product that has complementary products that go along with it really well. The next thing is the collection cross-sell. So collection cross-sells are really cool. If you're in the cart menu already or in the product menu, it'll actually cross-sell particular things that are in a collection. So kind of a similar thing there, and it really helps you increase your profit. Okay, so now let's go over some of the other things here. Free plus shipping optimized. So if you happen to want to do a store that's free plus shipping, it works really good for that. It also works really well for international selling. It has a geo IP currency converter, discount on exit intent, which is really neat. So that's going to help you increase your conversion rate a lot, and it's built in. It's available in different languages for different countries. It's got a really well optimized cart page, and this is important for mobile and for desktop for conversions. It also has a direct checkout feature built into the theme, so it's really easy to use. So if you have bundle packages and things like that, anything that you don't think will be bought with anything else, or you just have a one product page website, that kind of thing, you can have it get sent directly to the checkout. Okay, and here's the demo store. So I'm going to show you the demo stores, what they look like, and kind of go through them a little bit now. I think it's really important that you understand what they look like and how they feel. So this is the first one, Booster Fashion, and this is a product page. So I kind of like to show you the different product page setups they have. This particular one, regular theme, but the product page has a wider version. It's kind of like 50-50 with the product image that zooms in. And then the product page here has a buy now button. When you scroll over it, it kind of wiggles a little bit when you're zooming around the store. Pricing and the stock on hand has some logos here. And then also here is the product details. The nice thing about it is that it kind of matches up here, and you can click read more to see the rest of the product description, but it's not going to automatically give it to you. That's good and bad. I think it's better to have it all viewed, but you can mess with that too and see if that works good for your store or not. It's got a couple of conversion features here, and of course there's that. Let's look at the homepage of the store. I'm going to give you an idea of one of the ways which you can use the Booster theme to make your homepage look pretty cool. So here's where the banner would go. Here's your product pages, or your product listings here, and you can have more than one picture show up when they scroll over it. Kind of see a second version of it, which is cool. Good for browsing. And this is all really neat stuff. Kind of like they got the ideas from premium WordPress themes, which is nice. Okay, so that's that. Let's look at the second one, which is Demo Booster. It's a product page that's a little bit different. So you see here on the right side that the buy box is over here. It looks a lot like the Amazon buy box with a couple of extra added features to it, like a countdown timer and inventory selector and stuff. You got in the middle here, you got the product description, and on the left-hand side here, you have pictures that you can scroll between. Okay, so that's really cool, and this kind of scrolls along with it, so that's really nice, and it definitely helps with getting people to buy. And you have the add to cart and buy it now option here with your social proof boosters. Okay, let's look at the home page of this one. All right, at the top, you'll notice that you can have collections that feature multiple categories, and also collections that feature multiple products. So that's really cool because this isn't really available in other themes. So if you have a broader store, you can definitely use that to increase your browsing experience for customers. Okay, similar thing there, and lots of different ways to provide content and also get people to go through your collections, tell stories and things like that. and provide kind of a good customer experience there. All right, the last one is Yogi Love. So Yogi Love is kind of cool. They got a similar thing going on here, just different styles of buttons that you can create. And here's the description again. None of these are really showing like a super long description, so I'm afraid probably a super long description will look kind of funky on one of these websites. But you could probably figure out how to custom code that into making it like a separate section down here. So here's an example of the mega menu. So it's pretty cool. It's exactly what you kind of want to do if you have multiple product categories and stuff like that for a broader store, okay? And we can look at the collection page on one of these as well, kind of get an idea. And it's very simple. You can probably add content to it, of course. All right. One of the cool things is they have this top bar here. It's social icons, kind of the call to action up here, and your contact info, which is really nice. And here's a similar thing. So it looks about the same as the other themes. Here you have like a single product kind of thing on the homepage, which is nice. Okay, so that's all really cool stuff. I definitely can highly recommend using this theme, especially for people that want to increase their conversions and even for high-ticket dropshipping. Here's the pricing. It's a basically lifetime of booster, okay, and a year of updates per purchase. So for a single license, which is one Shopify store, it's $179. And click the link below this description. I might even update this video if I can get some sort of a coupon code from Booster for my audience for you guys. So we'll see if that happens or not. Just check the description below the video. And for two Shopify stores, you get a little bit of a discount. It's only $297. Okay, and then for 5 stores, it's even better. It's only $497. You get 5 licenses. It's like $100 per store. So if you have multiple stores, it might be a good idea just to invest in the 5 licenses right off the bat, take advantage of the savings, and get the theme going on all your stores. Or you could just get 1 or 2, split test different themes and figure out which one you like more, that kind of thing. Okay, all the FAQs are here. That really helps you understand all the different things about it, so definitely check that out. And again, just click the link in the description below. You can watch their video and kind of get an idea. I highly recommend this theme, so definitely check it out. All right, well, I hope you guys liked that Booster theme review. I think it's a really awesome theme. You should definitely get it if you want to increase conversions on your Shopify store. All right, guys, so I'm out here in Bali right now, really enjoying life. I hope that you want to increase your conversions. If you are more interested in getting knowledge about high-ticket dropshipping and how to build a business online with dropshipping, go check out my free niches list at ecommerceparadise.com/99niches. And of course, click the link below to get the Booster theme today. It's ecommerceparadise.com/booster theme.